guys, happy Friday book haul day. I've got the last lot of books to show you that I got from the Facebook marketplace. I thought last week's was the last lot, but this week is actually the last lot. I didn't realise I had another box there that I hadn't gone through yet. So let's get on to that today. Alright, so I don't know if you remember a couple of videos back, I showed you a full collection of these Birds of the World volumes in folders, and they're just magazines. This one came in another box. I've already got volume 6, but when I opened it up I saw that they've just used this folder for a different type of magazine. So this magazine is Wildlife Australia, whereas the full collection that I'm saving is Birds of the World. So this is another magazine collection. Probably won't keep this one, just because it takes up a lot of space to keep all of these magazines. What's this? It's like a letter. Oh no. So Wildlife Preservation Society of Queensland Building Appeal. Okay, so yeah, as I was saying, there's so many magazines in this lot, I just simply cannot keep them all. I just hope I can find somebody that will actually want to have a read of all of this and not just use it as firewood. Alright, so next up, the Australian Junior Encyclopedia, Volume 1. There's a couple of these encyclopedias actually. So checking if it's got a date on it. New edition 1956. This was published in Australia. Could be interesting to read. Not something that I'll be spending the time on to read though, unfortunately. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That is a nice page. Once again, I'll have to check to see how many volumes are in this collection and if I've got them all, and then if so, yeah, try to give them away to somebody. I doubt I'll be able to get any money for them. They're not in the best condition. Plus, nobody really wants encyclopedias these days. That's a beautiful page. I might actually just put this on my harvest pile and get cutting when I'm sitting down watching telly. Oh, how lovely is that? I definitely want to keep that page. Baby birds. Oh, more beautiful birds. Yeah, this book's definitely going to be worth harvesting. Oh, okay, sorry I showed that. I know some people don't like those animals. Oh, beautiful butterflies. That makes everything better. Some mushrooms. Oh yeah, this, oh, beautiful flowers. Yeah, this is going in my harvest pile. And here we've got Roget's Thesaurus. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Haven't seen one of these before. Maybe I need a thesaurus to help me. Yeah, so this is definitely a more modern type. $1988. It's too thick to keep. I mean, I know I'm always saying I need dictionary pages, but yeah, that one's too thick to keep, I think. Another huge book, Australia's Natural Wonders. That's a nice cover with the embossed map of Australia. And this is a mammoth of a book. Looks like a lot of landscape pictures. South Australia, Victoria, New South Wales. Yeah, almost all landscape pictures. I mean, it is a beautiful book, but not something that I'm willing to sacrifice the space on my bookshelf for, unfortunately. But yeah, that is a pretty nice book. Alright, so I wanted to show you this encyclopedia. I've got a full collection. I think there's about 10 in the collection. So I might try to see if anyone wants these, because 10 books this thick takes up a lot of space. And these are really glossy pages, so that's a lovely photo or illustration. Yeah, so this is a really in-depth encyclopedia. And I'll have to look up the value on that to see if it's worth anything. Otherwise, I'll try to give it away for free if anyone will take it. Explore Australia's Wilderness, 12 Unique Adventures. And it's got some writing on it. 19... what year is it? 1990? Yeah, 1990. This is definitely a more newer book, you can tell that. Bush exploring. Could be interesting to somebody that's interested in exploring Australia. There is so much to discover about our beautiful country, so I don't know, maybe someone will want that. Otherwise I'll just donate it. It's pretty good condition. Now there was a set of these as well, Wildlife in Australia. And actually, wasn't that what the blue folder I showed you at the start was full of, these magazines? I think it was. And this one's dated 1970. Condition's not that fantastic. You can see it's kind of bent down the middle. Probably, once again, not something I will keep. It's a shame, really, because I mean, I absolutely love animals, but I can't keep them all. You can certainly tell that the previous owner really enjoyed collecting these editions, and I'm sure they were a very knowledgeable person. So yeah, that is my book haul for today and the last of the lot of my marketplace haul find. Thanks for watching. Bye.